Hi, I'm Nicola Askham. I'm known as the Data Governance Coach, and I'm really excited that I'm part of the closing Fireside Chat at the Data and AI Conference in London this March. Oh, really hard to boil that one down to just a few. I love the high caliber of speakers that you have, and not necessarily data experts, but perhaps from the wider field that make us think wider. I think that's really great. But on top of that, I love the fact that we get real companies sharing real experiences and case studies. This isn't theory. This is people really sharing their experiences and being authentic and vulnerable when things go wrong. Because I think that's when we all learn about things, which is amazing. Oh, I think generally people try to do too much with data governance or too much at once. And when we're starting off, we really do have to keep things simple. If we try and design a framework that's this big and bits all over the place, it's just too much for our business stakeholders to take on board. So I think we really must make data governance as simple and pragmatic as possible. It's got to be as easy as possible for our business users to adopt. Otherwise, they're not going to do it. Gosh, just one lesson from my book. That's really, really hard. I think it's going to have to be that actually nobody wants to do data governance for the sake of doing data governance. They're not interested in doing data governance. What they want is the outcome it will give them, the business value, the problem it's going to solve, or possibly even regulatory compliance. But people don't want data governance for the sake of data governance. And we need to remember that when we're talking about it. We need to talk about the things they are interested in. Otherwise, we're never going to get them to work with us. So I think it's a really exciting time right now. I love the fact that we've got a data governance, AI governance, and MDM different tracks. Clearly, data governance and MDM have been great bedfellows for many years, and I think everybody understands that you can't be successful at master data management if you don't have data governance. I think AI governance is going to be this really interesting topic, and I've been to a number of events recently where this has been a really hot topic, and I can't wait to hear what people have to say about AI governance and its relationship with data governance. I'm already been looking at the agenda and ticking off the talks on that track because I'm really keen to understand what's working and what's not out there. If you're thinking of attending this conference for the first time, I think you will gain so much. It's what I consider the sweet spot. It's big enough to have different tracks, variety, high caliber of speakers, but it's small enough to be able to network. You needn't be daunted, and it's going to be very easy to network, meet your peers, and share experiences. I love the fact that the data community is so supportive of each other, and I think is once you've got over the networking and that, just understanding that other people are facing the same challenges as you, is learning from the speakers. There's such a diverse range of speakers this year that there's going to be things that are going to be really relevant to what you're facing at the moment. And if you are going to come to the conference, please do come and say hello and come along to the fireside chat. Shami and I have been planning it, and we're just going to have a really great conversation. She's got some killer questions to ask me, and we're going to make sure that you have time to ask me questions as well. I hope I'll see you there.